here with John Hope, who is the Business Development Director for Armstrong Precision Components Limited. So John, tell me, who are Armstrong and how long have they been manufacturing wire thread inserts?
They're a precision manufacturing company based in Hull. They've been manufacturing wire thread inserts, the helicoil range of wire thread inserts, since 1952. Originally they were developed in the States to deal with problems associated with radial aero engines, and Armstrong were based in the automotive component business at the time. They saw this as a major opportunity to move forward into modern times.
You've been owned by the Boloff Group for about a year now. How has this impacted on your business and the products that you can now offer?
Really, it's been a great opportunity. We're now part of one of the top 10 fastener manufacturers in Europe. Funnily enough, they are still a family-owned business established in 1877, but with a turnover of, in excess of 400 million euros. So they have something like 20 offices around the world. They have 7 manufacturing sites worldwide. So there's tremendous new opportunities for Armstrong to develop. We've always been strong in aerospace, and Boloff have been strong in automotive. So the synergies there are tremendous, and Armstrong are seen as the centre of excellence for aerospace products within the group.
So what are the characteristics of a helicoil wire thread insert, and what do your customers use them for?
Well, the prime characteristic really is that they provide a high strength, wear resistant, corrosion resistant screw thread, simple as that. They're used extensively in lightweight aluminium alloy components that need assembly and reassembly, where the parent material is of a weak nature, and in dismantling them several times you would destroy the integrity of the screw thread, whereas with the helicoil insert you have that strength and long life.
And why do your customers buy helicoil branded products rather than those manufactured by other companies?
That's a good question, but really helicoil is, if you like, the Kleenex, the Hoover of the fastener business. Our products are known as helicoils throughout the industry. They buy them because we have 60 years of expertise and experience in manufacturing the products. We have a range of high-spec technical engineering companies who all specify them on their drawings. People like Rolls-Royce, BAE, Airbus, for example. They want the reliability of the product. It's a relatively low-cost item in a jet engine, but it holds it together. It gives them that reassurance that they will have 100% reliability in the products that they manufacture.
Are all wire thread inserts identical, and are they made to different specifications and from different materials?
Well, I guess our competitors would say they are all identical, but really that isn't the case. Helicoil inserts are made from a very wide range of materials. Anything you can form in a wire we could technically make an insert from, but they have a number of surface treatments, different coatings for corrosion resistance, for thermal properties. So we have possibly the widest range of wire thread insert available to the engineering community. They've gone through a process of evolution since they were first developed in the 50s. So we started with what we call a classic insert, which is actually larger in diameter than the hole it's going to go into. The tang at the end is used to compress it, to wind it into the hole. When it's in, it's released and it effectively expands like a compressed spring and forms a very secure screw thread within the hole. Some years after that, Boloff themselves developed the Helicoil Plus product, which is quite innovative really, because the first coil here is smaller in diameter than the rest of the insert. So that, if you like, self-winds into the hole, but once it's in, it's got the same strength characteristics as the classic insert. It's just simpler to put in, the tooling involved is simpler and therefore a little cheaper. And then more recently we've developed a tang-free insert, which has the benefit of not having the tang that requires to be broken off, and that just has a driving notch in each end that allows you to put it in either direction, and that's beneficial in, for example, Formula One race cars. They don't want little bits of metal flying around the engine when they're running around the racetrack. The electrical industry use them extensively as well. So there have been developments, and we make developments over the years, and we manufacture the full range, both here and in Germany.
So if I wanted to repair a damaged thread, how would I go about it?
Simple, 3 steps: drill, tap, install. Couldn't be simpler. And you will finish up with a stronger screw thread than the original thread that was in the soft material. So it's a win-win situation every time.
Thanks, John. And for more information, you can visit the website, which is www.apc-boluth.com.